As you can see in this video, I used PWM, pulse width modulation, to increment and decrement the light intensity of the LED. In this, as you see in this program, I used Arduino. I used the pin 11. That's why I create here the variable LED with the pin 11. I defined the pin 11 as the output, and I set the serial line with 9600. The main loop contains two for loops. The first for loop increments the value of the variable I from 1 to 255, and it gives it to the function analog write to change the voltage to get every time in another light intensity. And then with a delay with 10 milliseconds, it goes to serial print to print the value of I on this command line. With the second for loop, I decrement the value from the value of the variable I from 255 to 1 to decrement the light intensity of the LED. That means I decrement the voltage.